Hi, we are on day two of this very exciting workshop for a very interesting automotive manufacturing brand called Vazron. With me, I have the founders, the directors of the company, and we've just finished the visit of the plant in the morning. I was pretty impressed with what's happening at the plant. They've got probably the world's most advanced manufacturing facility for doing tippers and trailers. So here I am with the team. We've developed the channel strategy for them. We've created a roadmap for the future, and I'd like to hear from them in terms of how their experience from this workshop has been, and have they got what they were looking for when they brought us in for this particular exercise. Over to you, Abhishek.
Hello, this is Abhishek Jain. I'm the founder of Vazron. So it was a good experience. We discussed about the franchisee model or maybe the channel partnership model. We discussed a lot, and इन्होंने जो ideas दिए, we really like those ideas, and we feel that if that is implemented properly and if we get good channel partners all across India, तो जो हमारे expectations हैं of increasing our sales and revenues and becoming a national company should happen. There will be challenges, a lot of hard work to be done from our side also. But yeah, that has to be done in any case. But इनके guidance में, इनके support में, our expectations should be completed. पूरा होना चाहिए ऐसा लगता है. So it was a good experience. Yeah.
Yes,
Hi, my name is Harshit and I'm a director of marketing at Vazron. So basically, in our opinion, this was a very productive workshop, and to be honest, we are really satisfied with this. Thanks to Mr. Amit. And it's really tough to execute this, but again, with the support of Sparkle Minds and support of Mr. Amit, we can increase our presence and we can become a major brand in this industry. And we are really excited. At the same time, we are a bit nervous by taking, we have to take few steps ahead. So at the same time, as mentioned, we are nervous, but again, we are excited about this.
Yeah, the journey is, the road ahead has got challenges. Harshit, you completed your MBA from the UK. Abhishek ji's got tremendous experience on the steel, on the metal industry side. And you have really set up something phenomenal in terms of what you're doing. I believe you're doing the best product in its category in the country. And you all had this initial thought of whether franchising, distribution, agency, will franchisee work for this industry, will distribution work for this for this industry, will dealership work for this industry. Is that now falling in shape? Is that quite clear? Because that was one interlap point that we had a lot of discussion on. ये डीलरशिप से ही होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से होगा, एजेंसी से होगा, फ्रेंचाइजी से होगा, कैसे हम इसको करेंगे? So did that become clearer?
Yeah, that is clear now. It's quite clear, and जो भी model हमने अभी discuss किया, it should work.
The final model should work. Fabulous. I'm strategized in this workshop. We will be a national player, and in times to come, I'm excited to see what Vazron is going to do with the strategy model that we have just now developed. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure.